calm down and tell me what happened?
He slapped me. He slapped me, Mom.
Slapped you? What did you do to him?
Can you imagine? Because I brought a man who wants to marry me home. Am I not old enough to get married?
Of course you are old enough to get married. But you had an agreement with your brother that you will think about marriage only when you are done with school and at least work for 5 years.
Yes, I had an agreement, but I changed my mind.
With the kind of brother you have, you think you can just wake up one day and change your mind? You think it's that easy? Yeah.
Mom, does it mean you're in support of his decision?
Well, somehow, yes. Come to think of it, Justina. Assuming your brother rushed into marriage exactly the way you want to do now, how do you think you and Loris would have gone to school to study? How? He sacrificed his happiness and pleasure so that in return, you and Lawrence will help him build this family. Why do you want to betray him now?
Mom, look, getting married cannot stop any of those things from happening. See, Duke is super rich and he can do anything for this family. He can do anything you wish, please.
Well, Justina, my daughter, my hands are tied. There's virtually nothing I can do. The person you need to go and sort out things with is your brother, not me.
Mom, other mothers will support their daughter to get married. Why is mine different? Why?
That is because they do not know as much as I do. Look, we live in a different world now. Everything has changed. Gone are the days a woman will rush into marriage and become a liability to her husband. Gone are those days. A woman that is not ready to cater for herself shouldn't even venture into marriage. That is the truth. Don't forget that Ejike, your brother, made a huge sacrifice for you and Lawrence. Don't ever forget that.
I dedicated my life for family, treating them with love and care. Being a father figure.
Ahmed!
Sorry, the shout to person down for inside.
Where's the guy I came back with?
No, come out.
How? Where? When?
I don't know, him just come out.
My friend, open this gate.
After all my sacrifice, this is what I get. After all my sacrifice.
You have done your worst, right?
Justina, you don't walk into my room like that. Now you'll go out that door, knock on it. If I allow you in, you come in.
I will do no such thing.
Of course you will do it. Get out of my room.
I won't. Did you ask Duke to leave?
Yes, I did.
Why would you do anything like that?
Justina, I've told you severally you're not getting married. At least not until you're done with school, gotten a good job, and have worked for at least 5 years.
I won't. Look, he's ready to get married to me today, tomorrow. And I cannot let you stop the good thing that is coming my way.
What rubbish good thing are you talking about?
Marriage. Why are you even against me getting married?
You think I'm against you getting married? I don't have a problem with you getting married, but I won't sit and watch you jump into any marriage as though it's an achievement.
Of course it's an achievement. An achievement is defined on individual basis. An achievement is whatever you deem it fit to call an achievement. So marriage is an achievement to me. And the bottom line is, you are not stopping me from getting married.
I'm not going to have this discussion with you.
Of course you're going to have this conversation with me. I want to get married and you cannot stand in my way.
Over my dead body will I let that happen. Now get out.
Did I hear you clearly? That you cannot be alive and watch me get married?
You heard me perfectly. I said get out.
The battle line has been drawn. And I am ready to go on this battle with you.
Justina draws the battle line with me. This girl has grown wings. But I'll clip them. I will clip them in the most terrible way. Ini Edo.
Nonsense! Haram nonsense. Insulting me? Eh?
My love. My love. Baby. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't know he was going to be rude.
Who the hell is he? I am asking you, who the hell is your brother? A God that protects his children or what?
Please, just don't take it to heart, honey. Please.
He overreached his boundary the moment he shouted at me. No one dare shout at BTC Oracle anyhow. Nobody!
He shouted at you?
Yes! Who the hell is he?
Please, honey, I'm going to take care of this. Please, just trust me. It will not happen again.
How are you going to do that? Because I want to make you my wife as quickly as possible. And there is no way I will make you my wife without your brother and mother's consent.
Honey, please, just leave it to me. I can handle this. Please, trust me.
My dear, my question still remains, how do you intend to do that?
Honey, it's best known to me. I'll handle it my way, please. All I'm begging is that you can you just help me drop this anger and rage in your heart, please? It's your baby. Oh.
Anyway, I will drop it because of you. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Honey?
I will be inside. Can you at least pick your call? Pick your mother's call.
I'm not going to pick the call. She would always support Dikeh to lord over everyone. And you ask, I'm not picking her call, she's just on her own.
I understand. She is worried. Can you do that for me?
And I'm just picking this call because of you. If not, I won't even pick this call.
Justina, I have been worried. I have been worried. I called the church and they told me nothing of that sort is going on.
You're worried about me. And you cannot rebuke your son, Ejike.
Excuse me? What do you mean by rebuke Ejike? Eh? I mean, where are you as we speak?
I'm in a house that I have peace. I'm fine where I am.
Justin, are you sure you're fine?
I am very fine, Mom. Are you coming back tonight? No.
Justina, what is wrong with you? How did you get to this level? When did you start living this kind of life? Where is the home training I gave you as a mother?
The same home training that you gave Brother Ejike, that he doesn't even have respect for anyone. See, in fact, Mom, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Please, you're disturbing me.
Oh my God. She got the call. What kind of a thing is this? What kind of trouble is this? What is wrong with her?
What's the meaning of this?
I want us to talk.
And who told you I want to talk with you?
I told myself.
Please go back and tell yourself I don't want to talk with you.
I can see you're not ready to go to work then.
What do you mean?
You heard me. I want to have a word with you. If you're ready, come meet me.
Yeah, all phones available. Let's deal now. Active. You know me very well. They deliver like Hebrew women. I know you should. No, she's gonna go. I go run now. I go run now. Wait, man, call you back. Let me call you.
Honey.
Baby. How are you?
I'm good.
I want you to tell me a little about yourself and your brother. I mean, your elder brother.
There's nothing really about us. We're just normal people that are existing.
I know, just tell me a little that ever existed between both of you.
Well, he's the first in our family. And ever since our dad died, he's been the one taking care of us, training us in school, making sure we lack nothing. He's been virtually there for us in everything we do.
So why did he go against you getting married?
My brother and I made a promise to him that we are not going to get married until we are done with school, graduate with good grades, get a job, work for 5 years, make money. Then we can think of settling down.
Work for 5 years before getting married.
Yes, honey.
And why would your brother made you agree to such terms and conditions?
He feels he's the only shining light in our family. And he intends to multiply it by educating all of us. He just wants to make sure we are standing firm on our own and just that.
Well, it's a good idea. It's a good idea. We will go back and apologize to him.
No, honey, I will do no such thing.
Listen, my love. Your brother is a good man. And I will not support you to pay his good deed back with evil. I will not support that. You have to go back and apologize to him. Once you settle with your brother, I promise you I will now come in and build a mansion for you guys in your father's compound. Meanwhile, wait, let me take this call first. It's very, very important. Hello. Steady funds. Listen to me.
Oh, now so you're ready to talk, huh?
Yes.
Good. You see, AGK, I am in love with you.
I don't love you.
Why?
Because I'm not ready to be in any relationship right now.
Why?
I just told you why. There's no further explanation needed.
AGK, what about the prophecy? You want God to be angry with us?
If that prophecy is meant to be, time and chance will make it happen. Don't force it.
AGK, come on. The love I have for you is really driving me crazy. I can do anything. Anything at all to have you.
My answer remains no.
Okay. I'll just leave you to go to work now. But I'll see you later, my love. Okay?
Can you take your car out of the way?
Yeah, sure, of course.
Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, Lawrence. Just. Okay. Just cross down that junction, eh? You will see one transformer. You will see one transformer by the right. Yes, 1000 kV transformer. I was even the one that bought that transformer. Enter that street. You will see a street there. Enter that street. The first gate, the first mirror gate by your right. Oh, my mansion there. Just knock at that gate. Okay. I'm good. Orange. Awolowo.
Sir.
Call. Just go and check that gate. I'm expecting someone.
Okay, sir.
Action, you are leaving. Action!
Awolowo, the person don't come.
Yes, sir.
Hey!
Oh, Dogun Woke.
Lawrence, my man.
Oh, Dogun Woke.
My man.
Hey! Hey! Oh, Dogun Woke.
Hey, thank you very much.
Chai. Hey! Oh, Dogun.
Lawrence.
Nice business now. Everything is smooth. You have a nice place here.
Yes, very wonderful one. In fact, one of my houses.
One of your houses.
Yes.
Nah. And this particular one would have cost you a lot of money to manage.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Yes. BTC Lord.
BTC Lord.
All phones are available. My God.
Thank you very much.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
very much.
You're welcome. Other reason, when you make the money, you go for the best. Let us
BTC Lord.
Let us go inside.
Yeah.
Yes, let's go inside.
I will know. Lawrence.
Anne!
Sir.
Do you remember Cynthia?
Yes, the one you told me not to allow access into your office again.
Exactly. Do you have a number?
Yes, I do.
How did you come about it?
Well, she dropped her number with me the last time she was here, just in case you would like to call her.
You never told me you had her number.
Well, the thing is, I noticed that every time I mention her name or whenever she comes, it usually irritates you, so I didn't want to bother you with it.
Okay. It's all good. Get me the number, please.
Okay.
It was very wrong of you to have reacted the way you did. It was very wrong.
I know, Mom. And that's why I've come to say I'm sorry.
Well, I am not the one you should apologize to. Your brother is the one you should apologize to. I want you to know that Ejike loves you and Lawrence very well. I mean, you can even attest to that. And that's why he's doing his best to make sure both of you have the best life can offer. So the least he's expecting from you is an insult.
I crossed the red line, Mom. And I'm here to make amends.
Okay. I'm glad you've realized your mistakes. Making amends is the watchword. Okay?
Yes, Mom. Okay, Mommy.
Come. It's all right.
Jehovah, Emmanuel, the peace of the Lord be unto you, daughter of Zion.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My name is Prophet Jeremiah, and you are?
Justina.
Justina. You are going to your elder brother's office to tender an apology for talking to him rudely the day you came home with a suitor.
Hey, so how did you know?
Eli! Jehovah! Emmanuel! I am a prophet of God. I see in the open and in the secret. If you tender that apology, that will be the end of your life.
Lord of Jesus. Prophet, please, I don't understand. I don't want to die.
Your elder brother is only pretending to be nice to you. He wants to use your destiny to enrich himself. He's only pretending to be nice to you after seeing you through school and helping you get a job.
Jesus. Please, Prophet, I don't understand. What am I going to do now? I don't want to die. Please help my life, Prophet.
Hey! Ja! 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 Jehovah! Emmanuel! I will tell you more about your elder brother's plan against you and your brother, Lawrence.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hey!
This is my card.
Yes, sir.
Call me with that number and I will tell you more of his plans against you and your brother.
I'll call you, sir.
Call me.
I dedicated my life
Jesus. Hey. Jesus, my brother wants to kill us.
Father figure, putting them first in everything. I kept my happiness aside, trying to give the best to my siblings. But is this what I get in return? Hey, Obia Bawa me, Obietiwa mo. After all my sacrifice, this is what I get.
What do you think I do for a living? I know you're into online business because I know you don't have a shop or office. That's all I can say for now. And I like that business. You are right. Cryptocurrency. Precisely. Do you want to join my business? How did you want to go? I'm game already. I can even start now if you want. I'm interested. You know what? I will advise you to finish your final exams. Immediately you graduate, come to me. I will teach you. I will give you every tools you need to make it in the crypto world. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Thank you very, very much. You're welcome. Look, I will want you to answer BTC Lord. Second. Hey, I can't wait to get that name. Hey, thank you very much. You're welcome. I really appreciate that. You're welcome. Hey, BTC Lord again, bro.
Oh, Mr. Ejike, the CEO himself. Sam, where have you been?
Oh, hey, boy. I've been around now.
No, don't tell me that. Do you know how many times I've called your number and it wasn't connecting?
Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. I traveled.
You traveled and you did not inform me.
Don't vex. Man, it's a long story.
I like long stories.
Okay. Nothing much. Just that I traveled to Uzuetem in Abia State with Ivy to see her people.
Now I know the secret of the smiles.
You can say that again.
So how did it go?
Perfect.
Did her parents like you?
Wholeheartedly.
Wow. In that case, congratulations are in order.
Very much in order. So attach some respect to me.
Of course.
Yeah. Bro, you needed to see the kind of reception I was given. They treated me like a king.
I know. It's a kind of a rite of welcoming. It's a tradition down there.
Man.
Yes.
So with this, I can go all the way to making her my wife.
Of course. Congratulations once again.
Thanks, man. Oh boy. No.
I kept calling and your number wasn't connecting.
Justina, if you're not looking happy, what is it?
There is serious problem.
Problem? What happened?
Do you know that brother has been nice to us for his ulterior motives?
What are you talking about?
Okay. First, I went with Duke to his house to make his intention known of marrying me. He objected the marriage. Next thing, he walked Duke out of his house.
What? He did what?
I had this heated argument with him. And later on, I left in anger. Duke demanded to know the kind of man he was. I told Duke that he has been helping us and he has been nice to us. He now said I should just go back and apologize to him.
For what? Apologize for what?
My brother, I obliged though and went to apologize. But when I went to the house, I didn't see him. I met Mom. And Mom said I should go to his office. I was on my way to his office. So that was when I met a prophet on the road. The prophet now told me that he has been nice to us just because he wants to use our destiny for his own advantage. Hey.
Wait. This is so confusing. Okay, let me ask you, what did the prophet say?
The prophet said he wants to take our destiny after he is done training us in school and getting us job.
This is serious.
It's good. Lawrence, what do you think?
Okay, I think we have to meet the prophet again. At least let me hear from him myself. Yes.
You know what? I think I have to invite the prophet.
Okay.
At least when Duke is not around, I can invite him over to this house. At least you can hear things for your own self.
That is a very good idea. Please, excuse me. Hello? Oh, how are you, my dear? Oh, okay. All right, I'm coming. Okay. Justina, please, I'll be right, but let me meet Merit. She's outside the gates. Okay? Come on, chill. I'm coming. Merit, my love. Come here. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm not fine.
What happened?
I need money.
Merit. I don't understand, but I gave you some money 3 days ago.
That you gave me money 3 days ago doesn't mean you cannot give me money today. What if the need for the money is urgent?
Anyway, I don't have any money to give to you.
You say what?
I don't have money.
Lawrence,
Merit.
it's like this relationship is getting tiring. Like you're tired of this relationship. If you are, tell me.
Why are you sounding like that?
Why won't I sound like this? Why won't I sound like this? Am I not your girlfriend? Are you not my boyfriend? Are you not supposed to take care of me?
Merit, God knows I've been trying my best to make sure that you're okay. Merit, you know that I'm a student and...
Please, spare me that. And so what if you're a student? Are you the only student around? Don't you see other students taking care of their girlfriends? What is all this now? Ordinary small money I'm asking you for. You're telling me you're a student. I need money.
It's okay, yeah? How much do you need?
50,000.
50,000 naira, Merit.
Why are you shouting?
50,000 naira. Anyway, I don't have that money now, but I'll be right back.
50,000 and you're shouting. What if I demand for 100,000?
Where is she?
She's outside.
Why?
I don't want her to come inside for now.
Meaning what?
Reasons best known to me. Justina, I need some money.
Huh? Wait. Don't tell me that girl came here to ask you for money.
Yes.
Where does she think you get money from? Are you not a student? I don't have.
Justina, listen, I will explain things to you later. Just give me some money, let me go and settle her.
Oh, Lawrence, I don't have 1 naira. Please, stop disturbing me.
Justina, please now.
See, I can only give you 20,000 naira. And don't ever disturb me for money again.
20,000 will go a long way. Bring it in.
Hey. See, oh yeah, take it.
Hey, thank you very much. You know you're my best.
You cannot get 1 naira. Leave me.
I'm coming there. Yeah.
Hey, Vito. Are you sure this my brother is not inside Benelin bottle?
This is what I can raise for you.
What is this?
Money now.
Lawrence, I asked for 50,000 and you're giving me this? Eh?
Merit, you know it's an emergency. Eh? It's an emergency. You should have called me that you needed some money. By now I will have raised some money for you before your arrival.
Lawrence, 50,000 and you're shouting emergency? Hey, it's like you're tired of this relationship. And I am telling you for facts that you will see me with someone else that will take care of me.
Why you sound like that?
Why would I sound like this?
Why you sound like that, Seth? Try and manage this one.
Hey. 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 I have said it too. I have said it and that will happen. You will see me with someone that will take care of me better than you 100 times. I am assuring you that.
What did you just say?
I am assuring you that, Lawrence.
Merit! 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 Merit!
What is it?
I can't believe what Merit did to me.
What did she do?
Merit rejected the money and threw it to my face and walked away.
Thank God this is happening. I've told you this is not the woman for you. She's only concerned about money.
As if that wasn't enough. You believe that Mary told me that she would look for that guy that will give her the money?
She's very stupid for saying that. Eh? What is even wrong with you? See, Lawrence, we have lots of problems facing us. Eh? Mary should be the least of efforts. Give me my own money first. At least I have gain from my 20,000. Can you stop talking? I can feel the anger in your voice. Is anything the matter?
Justina, where are you as we speak?
I'll get back to this again. Mom, I've told you I'm an adult. You can't just keep asking about my whereabouts now and then. No.
We had an agreement that you are going to apologize to your brother in the office. I just finished talking to him and he confirmed you didn't come to his office.
Is that the reason you're calling? Mom, please, I was busy doing something before you called.
Justina, the question is, why did you not go to your brother's office as we agreed?
You know what? I'll call you tomorrow. I'm going to talk to you tomorrow. Please, good night.
Oh my God. What is wrong with this girl? Should I agree with Dikeh that Justina has grown wings?
Brother, thank God you're still awake.
What is the problem?
Duke asked me to come to his room. And I'm very sure if I go there now, he'll start asking me how my meeting with Brother Dikeh went.
Yeah? Tell him that you were going to meet Brother Dikeh and the prophet told you who he really is. Period.
No, I cannot tell him that kind of thing. No. He needs to be very sure before I can tell anybody, let alone him.
Why?
Because we are not sure yet. I need you to also see him. We don't need to interfere in the prophecy. See him. If he convinces you, then we can tell anyone we want to tell.
You are right, Joe. You are right. At least let's have concrete evidence.
Yes.
Before letting it out to the third year.
Yes.
You are very right.
So, what do I tell him?
Okay. Just tell him that you went to see him and he walked you out of his office.
Yeah.
Yes, now.
Sounds nice. That's what I'm going to tell him. But when I come out from his room, I'll come and tell you everything.
Don't worry. I'll be right here waiting for you. Okay. Let's go and meet him.
Hi, honey.
You wasted time before coming.
Sorry, I was actually tired in the kitchen.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Welcome. So how did you go with your brother?
Honey, you needed to see what happened today.
What happened?
I just tried to enter his office and he threw me out.
What?
He nearly slapped me.
Wait. Is he that hot-tempered?
Hot-tempered? Aggression is his second name.
My love, but that man I saw that day doesn't look aggressive.
Babe, you don't know him. Is he not my brother? You needed to see what happened.
You know what, my darling, just relax your mind. I am going to sort everything out myself, okay? Thank you. So how did your day go today? Tell me.
My day was partially okay.
Partially okay. As a BTC Lord, partially okay. I don't take that, please. I want it to be perfectly okay, not partially. Let me punch in some coin into your account now. Fine, dear. Done. I've sent in some money there.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You always sending me money.
I will go to what? My money is your money.
Thank you for always making me happy.
You're welcome, my dad.
I love you.
I love it. You want it?
No.
If you want it, just choose anyone you want and take.
Stop. I'm fine.
Do you want any of them?
I'm fine.
Sam.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank
You're
you.
welcome. Please sit. How is everything?
Fine, thank you. I'm glad to see you smiling. The way you sounded over the phone, I thought something terrible has happened.
Oh, no. Nothing happened. Your friend.
Yes.
Your friend, although he has not managed to say anything to me, but I just discovered he has reinvented happiness for himself. So I want to know, do you have an idea of what is going on?
I think everything has to do with Cynthia. They have made up, and from the way he briefed me, it looks like they won't fall apart again.
Oh, really?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Oh, thank God. Thank God. My son finally has a woman to call his wife. I'm excited.
Yes, we are all excited, and I'm very optimistic. My friend is very excited.
Wow.
And I know and feel very strongly that this second coming will be forever.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen. I am more than excited.
We are all excited for
and I
him.
know you contributed to this good news. I trust you, Sam.
My 2 cents. My 2 cents.
So, what can I offer you?
Prophet, please, this is Lawrence, my elder brother.
Okay.
I want you to repeat what you told me in front of him.
Eli! Otito diri Jesu. Daughter of Zion, when I saw your call, I was so happy. You know, that very day when we parted ways, the Lord made more revelations about your elder brother.
Prophet, if I may ask, what did the Lord reveal to you?
The Lord revealed to me that your elder brother belonged to a very strong secret cult. And that is why he is always attacking you whenever you go to church to worship God. Yes, that is what the Lord revealed to me. You know, your presence and religious activities in that house is a very strong threat to him. And that is why he is always waking up in the middle of the night to interrupt your prayers. If something is not being done, he will use both of you for sacrifice.
So, prophets, what do you advise us to do?
You have to buy spiritual elements that we'll use for prayers. After that prayers, whatever he has done to you or he is about to do will come to naught.
Prophets, please, we don't know where to buy those items. But if you do, can you kindly help us and buy those things? Yes. We will pay. Yes.
Of course. I will buy them for you.
Thank you so much, Prophet. Like, how much would the spiritual items cost?
Eli! It will cost you 150,000 naira. Then my handwork will be 100,000 naira.
Okay. That means in total 250,000 naira.
Prophet, please, can we give you 200,000 naira?
Young man, this is a spiritual matter. You do not negotiate it.
It's fine. We'll pay.
Okay.
One more thing. Even if you want him dead, I can make that happen.
That's the point. That is what we want. We want him dead. Yes, kill him for us.
I know you will like that one.
Yes, kill him.
Eli, son of Elijah, son of Elijah. What did you do?
Oh, why? Everything I do is for you, to see that you are living a good life. Hey, I want a good future for you.
Hello? I'm fine, thank you. Who are you, please?
It's my priority, but something come they confuse me. Why am I having this kind?
You can't be serious. Cynthia has a boyfriend? She never told me about it.
Why would they want me down? My siblings, I am giving everything. Is this just a dream?
You're wrong. She's not coming for me because of my money.
The question is why me? Why would they want me dead? The siblings I am fending for. Why would they want me down? My siblings
Wait.
I am giving everything.
You know about the prophecy. Yes, come in. Justina. How are you doing?
Fine.
I hope there's no problem.
No. I just want to invite you for a church program.
Ha! Justina, you know I'm a very busy person. You can't be inviting me for church programs.
It's just a 2 days program, bro. You can actually reason after work and come home.
After work, I should be going home to rest, not going for church programs.
Brother, why do you always sound like you're in enmity with God?
Don't misunderstand me, oh please.
But that's what it looks like, because I have never invited you for a church program and you attended.
Justina, Biko, I'm very busy. I won't have time. Just go. Okay, I will talk about this later, okay? Let me finish this proposal.
You will come?
We'll talk about it later.
It's here. You must attend this one.
Sister Mary. Leaving for tomorrow. One day, one program.
I need no explanation to tell me that Brother Dikeh is a serious cultist. Hey! This boy deceived all of us. He made us think he was a nice person. Just for his own selfish gain. God in heaven. Thank you so much for this exposure. Thank you. Hey! God, I am going to serve you forever. You are a covenant-keeping God. Just look at the way you exposed all his evil deeds. Eh? Brother Dikeh.
Who is Patrick?
What?
You heard me.
Patrick is my ex.
You never mentioned him to me. Moreover, he did not sound like an ex.
I'm the one who should tell you about my relationship with him. He's my ex. Okay? Nothing more.
Anyways, he called me to threaten to stay away from you.
Baby, just forget about him, please. He's just an ex.
Only a foolish person will forget about him.
Are you serious right now? Are you just going to allow that loser ride your life?
Nobody's riding my life. I just want to have peace and stay away from trouble, please.
I am here to give you peace.
Like he suggested. I have perished every romantic thought I nurtured towards you.
No,
Please,
baby.
leave my office.
What about me? Please, baby, come on. We can work something out.
Please.
Please.
Don't make me call your security. Leave my office.
Baby, please, don't tell me you're this gullible. You don't have to believe whatever that comes out of his mouth.
Anne!
He is just
Please,
heartbroken.
leave my office, please. Please.
Baby, please. Yes, hello. I want us to see.
Where?
Pick a place.
Let's meet in an open space.
Why an open space? Back of ShopRite. 30 minutes time. See you.
Greetings, Lady Cynthia.
Yeah, Frank, what's up?
I'm cool. And you?
Okay, so I have a job for you.
Alright, I'm listening.
Frank, I need you to kill someone.
Who could that be?
A guy.
When?
Today.
Today. Lady Cynthia, that is so sudden.
I know it is. And I also trust that you can do this job. So are you game?
Get me his picture and tell me where to meet him.
You don't need his picture. All I have to do is to lure him into this car. And then you take care of him while I dispose his body.
How is it going to be possible to kill someone inside your car, Lady Cynthia?
It is very possible, Frank. Okay? All you need to do is to hide here at the back seat. He sits in front. And then when he comes in, you reach out and strangle him. It is that simple. Am I going to teach you your job? Of course not. Are you game?
Let's go.
Lawrence, how do you raise money to give the prophet?
It's very simple now. Collect money from Duke.
He just gave me 500,000 naira last week.
Have you spent all?
Yes.
Hey. I need somehow to ask him for more money.
You have seen it now.
Hey. Okay. I will call Dikeh. Yes. I will call him to give me the money. It is better we use his money and kill him. Remember what we're about to do now is spiritual thing. So let's use his money and kill him.
Okay. Let's see how it goes now.
I dedicated my life for family, treating them with love and care. Being a father figure, putting them first in everything. I kept my happiness aside.
Wait. Are you not what I'm calling?
What is it? Do I know you? Huh?
Wait, if that is a joke, just stop it.
No, babe, who is this?
Excuse me? Did I just hear you call my girl your babe?
Your girl?
Me? Your girl? How? Have we met? Do I know you?
Merit.
Where do I know you from? Why should I call him your babe? I don't know this guy, please.
Merit. I really listen. I know sometimes you are kind of being so dramatic. I know that.
Dramatic. Babe, please, let's go. This guy is just, he has lost his mind.
No. I'm losing it. See, this thing has to stop. No. It has to stop.
Babe.
I want to know who this guy is and what the problem is. What's the problem?
Excuse me. I should be the one to know who you are. So who the hell are you?
Who the hell are you?
Baby, please.
Are you talking to me like that?
Can you imagine?
I've told you, this guy has lost his mind. Can't you see by the way he's looking at me? He looks like a mad person. Let's go.
I can see
You
that.
said I've lost my memory?
Yes.
You're very stupid.
You are very stupid. You're very mad.
Why are you following man to
Nonsense.
talk?
Let's
Look
leave
at-
here.
Look at.
Merit. Merit. Merit.
You are 2 minutes late. And you are still not here. What is going on? What guy? Who? Oh, I see. You think you're smart? Huh? You think you are smart? I will certainly get you, dumbass. Beg for what exactly? How over my dead body will I beg you for dumping your ass? Are you mad? you are the one whose body will be lowered to the grave.
Very well then. Let's watch and see.
Bastard. Where is he?
You're back. What happened?
Honestly, you need to see what happened at the shopping mall.
Just me.
Could you believe I saw Mary with another guy? And when I confronted her, she said she doesn't know me.
I don't understand.
She even said she has never met me before.
What?
Yes. Like, she told the guy that I am suffering from loss of memory.
Hey.
I don't understand where that one is coming from.
Wait, is that girl that mean?
I felt like killing that girl when I saw her today.
Oda, thank God you did not kill her. Don't go and commit murder because of that nonsense girl. She's not worth it. Because what did you buy?
Frank, you can calm down.
All right. Lady Cynthia, what next?
I am going to send you his picture. Find him and unalive him.
I'll be waiting for his pictures. What do you have for me?
Name your price.
1 million.
500,000.
700,000.
Fine. But make sure you do a clean job.
Lady Cynthia, once I receive your alert, leave the rest for me. Have a nice day.
I can no longer wait to get a consent from your brother.
Honey,
Yes.
I was about suggesting that. See, my brother is a sadist who doesn't love to see others happy. Why don't you come and see my mom and make your intention known?
My love, I understand what you are saying, but coming to see your mother alone, if you look it very well, it is not approved, according to our custom and tradition.
So, what do you think?
Good. You are going to tell your mother to call one or two of your kinsmen from the village. Yes, I will pay their flight ticket. Okay?
Okay. Very well then, I'll call my mom first thing tomorrow morning.
You're welcome, baby.
Honey,
Yes,
my brother and I will be going back to school by weekend.
this weekend?
Yes.
Good. BCC Lord got you covered. All funds are available.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sweetheart. You need to have some rest now. Shall we go and watch film?
No, I want to hold you.
Want to hold me?
Lawrence! 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 What is it? What is it? What is it now? What is it? Are you okay?
He's in a court.
Who is in a court?
Brother Dikeh.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
He wants to kill me in my dream. Yeah. Justin, I think we need to act fast before he moves ahead of us spiritually and cripple all our plans.
Yes. You know what? Let me call the prophet.
Please do.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
Good news. Spill? My wedding date has finally been fixed.
Wow! Congratulations, bro. Finally.
Thank you. Yes, finally. And you are going to be my best man.
Oh, of course. You know nobody would drag that with me.
Yes. I knew from the onset I didn't want it to come from my head, so I left it specially for you.
What's the date?
27th of next month.
Beautiful.
Yes.
It's a date. We're going to make...
Madam! Baby!
What are you doing?
Oh, baby.
What are you doing here?
Thank God you're here. Baby, let go of my hand. Baby, I need to talk to you.
We have nothing to talk about.
No, baby, we have a lot to talk about. Okay?
Ahmed!
Get this thing out. I don't tell her before, say, my God, she don't want to see you. Come on, come where they go.
I'll slap you. Think I want to see you. Baby!
Ahmed!
Baby, I want us to talk.
Come,
Baby,
madam,
we
madam,
need to
come,
talk,
come,
please.
I don't
Please.
want to lose my work. Madam, they go now. They go. I tell you before, say, my God, don't want to see you. They do that.
Is she not the same Cynthia you reconciled with? And your mother was excited about it. What again happened?
Her boyfriend called me and threatened me.
What?
Yes.
And she still come back to this place?
Can you imagine that? Sam, I just don't know. I'm not lucky with these women. All I need is happiness.
I know. But again, can we do without them?
Of course we can't.
You need one at least.
We're not people like this.
I agree with you. Sure, I agree with you. She almost spoiled the fun.
She cannot spoil our fun. Cheers once again, bro.
Congratulations. To me, to us, the groom and his best.
So finally you have decided to do the do.
Yeah, look at that.
I dedicated my life.
Are you sure this prophet is going to come?
I told you he said he's already on his way.
So what is keeping him?
Maybe traffic.
Anyway, let's wait a little more.
Kept my happiness aside, trying to give the best to my siblings. But is this what I get in return? Hey,
Thank God, though, my son is doing well.
For now, nothing.
This one you people are here. I hope nothing happened in the village.
Nothing. What are they? Udo, they know.
And you don't want to take anything?
For now. For now. Not that we're not going to take, but for now.
So, what is the purpose of this visit?
We are here for the marriage introduction of your daughter, Justina. Yes.
What? How?
Yes, she told us that you are against her getting married. So, I don't know.
That's not true. My husband, that's not true.
But that is what she told us. And you know our tradition. It is the duty of our kinsmen to give her their daughter's hand in marriage. That is why we are here.
Look at me, Chichi.
And the young man will soon arrive. I will want both of you to cooperate.
Yes.
We need your cooperation.
Mom, let me see, please. Let me see.